Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off or deactivate Talkback in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. Suppose if you have accidentally turned on Talkback and your phone is in this stage, okay, you cannot use your phone normally with one swipe. You cannot go to the settings and you cannot go to home screen, or you cannot open camera or whatever you want to do with normal usage. You cannot do it. Okay, so to turn off Talkback, now for bringing your phone into normal mode, you have to turn off Talkback. Okay, what you have to do is go to settings. So to navigation, use two finger. Okay, two fingers and swipe down like this. Swipe down and you will see the settings area and click on settings icon. Just click on settings icon, then to go to settings icon, just double tap on it and you have to unlock. Yes, unlocked. Now
double tap to act.
To scroll with two fingers, swipe like this, then only you can scroll. With one finger you cannot do it. Okay, with two finger you go like this and click on accessibility and click on accessibility two times to go to accessibility and click on Talkback and double tap on it and click on button, double tap on it and click on turn off, double tap on it. Yes, now Talkback is turned off and you can use your phone normally. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off Talkback in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.